Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your personal information on Lumosity, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Lumosity app, then click on the three dots at the bottom of the screen, then click on the account settings, then click on the edit profile. And then if you scroll down, you can see the change personal information option. You have to click on that. So you can change your name, you can give your gender, the time zone, the language, education, and the job. And after that, you have to click on the save changes, and your information has been updated. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.